Okay children, we are discussing about dispersion of light. I told you the white light is a composite light. It will split into 7 colors when it passes through a transparent medium like prism or water droplet. Let me repeat, white light is a composite light. It consists of 7 colors. It will split into those 7 colors when it passes through any transparent medium like prism or water droplets. Any water droplet. Okay? Okay children. So, light is a electromagnetic wave. It is a electromagnetic wave. Earth, you know, Earth is having electric field as well as magnetic field around that. So, the light which is passing in this atmosphere, it will be, even now the light is traveling along with the oscillating electric and magnetic fields. Oscillating electric field and magnetic field are present around the atmosphere, and the light is traveling in that atmosphere. Okay, so the speed of the light for all the colors, I told you white light is a combination of 7 colors, isn't it? The speed of the light for all colors in vacuum for all the colors, the speed of the light is same. Okay, the speed depends upon refractive index. You know, refractive index n is equal to C by V, where n is the refractive index and C is velocity of light in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 10 meters per second. So you know that speed of the light value, and velocity of the light in the given medium. So the speed of the light depends upon refractive index, and refractive index depends upon wavelength. It depends upon the wavelength. Refractive index depends upon wavelength. So you should understand that first, light is an electromagnetic wave. Why we are calling it an electromagnetic wave? The light is traveling with the oscillating electric and magnetic fields which are present in our atmosphere. The light is traveling with the oscillating electric and magnetic fields. Earth is a big magnet, and Earth is having even electrostatic force. It can attract the other massive bodies also. You know that. The gravitational force, which is nothing but the electrostatic force. It is a big magnet, and it also having electric field also. So, in that electric and magnetic field, this light is traveling. So, the light is called as electromagnetic wave. Okay, and this light, when it is traveling in the vacuum, the white light, all the colors which are present in the white light will travel at the same speed. But when the light travels in another medium, any medium, transparent medium like prism or any in the liquid medium or in any medium, then what happens? The speed of the different colors varies. And the speed of the different colors depends upon what? The speed of the colors depends upon refractive index. Okay, and this refractive index depends upon wavelength of the light. Each color, every color, what will happen here? You see here, when the light is entering into the transparent medium. Okay, what will happen? Each light, the white light is having 7 colors, I told you. That is BCR, BI, BG, YOR, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It is having all the 7 colors, I told you. So, these 7 colors, the violet light is having small wavelength. The waves are very close. I told you, on wavelength what depends? Refractive index depends. On refractive index what depends? Light, speed of the light depends. Did I say or not? So, the wave violet light, very close. The waves are very close to each other. So wave length, which is denoted with lambda, it is very less. Okay, wavelength is very less. When wavelength is less, what is the more there? When wavelength is less, the wavelength of the violet color is less, and its refractive index, that is n is equal to more. Refractive index is more, and deviation also. What is this deviation? Deviation D is also more. That means the violet color will bend more. Will bend more. Suppose you are sending a light. Here this is a prism, and you are sending a light. So one color, the violet color is bending more. Then other colors will be like this. Because of the bending, because of the difference in the wavelength, because of the bending, then because of the bending, the light is dividing into a spectrum. It is giving you spectrum. That means 7 colors. It is producing 7 colors. Okay, children. So in this dispersion means, first thing is dispersion of light means splitting up of light into the constituents is called as dispersion. Splitting up of the light into its constituents is called as dispersion. And the white light will split into the 7 colors. Okay. Why it is splitting? Only these things you have to keep in your mind. Why the light is splitting into 7 colors? Because of the variation in the wavelengths, and because of the variation in the refractive index. The refractive index depends upon wavelengths. Violet light is having shorter wavelength. The violet color light is having shorter wavelength, whereas red color light is having more or broader wavelength. Okay. So in dispersion, the topic of dispersion, what are all the things you have to keep in your mind? Dispersion means, first point, splitting up of the white light. White light is a composite light. It consists of 7 colors. Why these colors are splitting? Why, when the colors are not splitting in the vacuum? Why the colors are splitting in transparent mediums? Because when the light is entering from one medium to another medium, when it is coming from the vacuum to the transparent medium, or air to the transparent medium, when it is traveling from one medium to another medium, you know, when light enters from rarer medium to denser medium, or denser medium to rarer medium, it will undergo refraction. That means bending. Okay, light is bending. In the light, the 7 colors are not bending in the same way. In the 7 colors, one color will bend more and one color will bend less. The blue color is bending more, so it is getting separated from the other colors. And red color, the bending, the deviation of red color is very less. So all these colors are dividing and they are producing a spectrum of 7 colors. So these are the points you have to note. And one more important point is, children, frequency. The frequency means how many number of rays are coming from the source. For example, this is a torch light. Per second from this 10 number of light rays are coming. That is the frequency of this torch light. How many number of that light waves are coming from that source, if you are telling, that is called as frequency. The frequency will not change along with the medium that is produced by the source of the light. So frequency will not change. Frequency is not going to alter. There will be no change in the frequency. What is changing there? Wavelength is changing there. Because of the wavelength, what is changing there? Refractive index is changing there. Because of the change in the refractive index, what is happening there? The bending is different. Because of the bending, what is happening there? The single color is splitting into 7 colors. So in the dispersion you have to understand only one thing, that the light is splitting into 7 colors. Why it is splitting into 7 colors? Because of their different speeds. Why they are having different speeds? Because of their different refractive indexes. Why they are having different refractive indices? Because of their different wavelengths. The total thing depends upon wavelength. As wavelength is changing, refractive index is changing. As refractive index is changing, their speed is changing. So the colors are splitting and they are producing a spectrum. Okay children, we will discuss about the rainbow in the next video.